Very good morning to one and all. So today we are going to discuss about this line by line execution of this data structure concept. So let me take that one programming from this the linear data structures, which is nothing but I'll be open this folder first. First will we go and then discuss with this that queue. Under this queue, first we are going to discuss about this queue implementation using array. So this is that the entire program. So I using this that Turbo C compiler for executing this program. First let me what that to compile the programming. Let me check whether it is error free or not. Yeah, it is error free, and then you can able to get the output in a proper manner also. Okay, first let me give this outline for this that array implementation of this queue. So initially I include this all the related packages by satisfying this C structure concept. It's a structured programming. First I'm including this all the header files. Then I'm starting with this main function and then declaration, followed by this that logic I have written. So I'm using this that shortcut key, which is nothing but this function F7 for running this line by line execution. I started to execute the programming. So it started executing from this that main function. So after this execution of this main function first line statement, it will become inside this that loop. So under this all the initialization has been executed. So after that it printing the statement into the output screen, which is nothing but this queue using this array. The next printf statement which contains the information, which is nothing but that insertion, deletion and display exist. So these are the information also it will be print into this that output screen. Then I'm coming to this word that executing this while loop statement. It will be get into inside this while loop statement. So it asking this first printing this the printf statement, which is nothing but this enter your choice. After that, through the scanf statement, the user can enter the choice. Here we have a four option: insertion, deletion, display, and then exist. First, I am going to what that insert the element into this queue. So after that, the next statement, which is nothing but the switch cases, the ch value for the switch cases initially I assigned as a what that one. So now it directly go to this that case number one. So after coming to the case number one, it will be first checking this what that rear equal to x. What is the x value or rear value? So the x value, which is equal to what that n. Initially we assign this n is equal to x. So we define this size of this n as nothing but this that 5. So here the n size is 5, and then we checking this what that rear equal to x. Initially we assign this what that rear value is equal to 0 and then n value is equal to 5. So this condition is not satisfied. So it will become to this next statement, which is nothing but this what that else part. So in that this else part, it will be come and then execute the printf statement. Under this printf statement, it asking this what that enter the number. So what number it is asking? Inside this we have a percentage d, which is nothing but this format specifier, followed by this that increment operation also done. So after that it calling to this it executing this what that scanf statement. So there it calling this ampersand q rear plus plus, nothing but it calling this that q functions, as well as initially rear equal to 0 we assign. After let me check where the control is go. So it asking this number because we have to give this input now. So after that the rear value get increased 1 by 1 plus plus. So it executing this or the break statement. Then again it will be go to this what that while loop. Then it asking this executing the printf statement by asking this enter your choice. Then through the scanf statement I am giving the choice, which is nothing but I am going to give the choices 1, because again I am going to insert this another element. Then it will be come to the switch cases. Now switch cases is nothing but this what that we have a first cases. Then again inside the first case In the if condition, it will be checking whether rear equal to 0 or not. So previously, so initially the rear value is equal to 0. Now the rear value is get incremented by 1 because under the scanf statement, after inserting the first element, so the rear value get incremented by one position. So now rear value is equal to 1. 1 equal to 5, which is not correct. So it will become to this that else part. Else part, it asking this, it executing the printf statement by asking this what that enter the number. So then scanf statement is executed. It asking this what that number for the second value to be inserted. So again giving this value as a what that 56. Then I am pressing this enter. So after it executing this break statement, then after giving this number, the real value get incremented by one position. So now the real value is equal to what that one incremented now. It's pointing to this what the next locations. So then again it will be go to this what that while loop and then executing the printf statement, asking the choices. Again I am giving the choice by executing this what that scanf statement. Now I am going to giving the choice as a what that 3. So the 3 choice, which is nothing but this what the display function. Display function is mainly used to display the number of the element which is inserted in the queue. Fine. So now we will be check where the control is go to that. So now it will be going to this what that case number 3 because the display is belong to this what that case number 3. Now it's executing the printf statement. After executing the printf statement, it will be check whether the front equal to rear or not. No, initially we assign the front value is equal to 0 by during this what that initialization part or declaration part itself. Now the real value is equal to what that we insert the two element automatically what that from 0 and then 1th position. So front which is not equal to rear. So automatically the function will be go to this what that else part. This if condition part will be not executed. When the if condition value would be if condition will be get executed now, both front and then rear equal to same. So now it will become to the else part and then it asking this, it executing this what that for loop statement. Initially I is equal to what that front, I less than near, I plus plus initialization, condition checking and then increment. It is satisfying this what that for loop property. So now I equal to front, which is nothing but the front initially value is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, 0 less than 1 because we have entered the two value in this 0th position first value is there and then first position we have a second value is there. So it will be what that executing this two time to print this what that two element which is in this queue. So first time it will be go and then execute it and then what that percentage d problem is here q of I which is nothing but this what that initially 0. So q of 0 now the firstly insert element will be there, then that will be printed with the help of this that printf statement. Then slash n will be executed for the next statement. Second element it will be go and then execute and then what that next statement will be what executed. Then it will come to the break. Then again it will be coming to this what that while loop executing the first printf statement and then executing the scanf statement by asking the choice. So now you can see yes, whatever the element we inserted in the first and then second position that will be printed as it is. So the display function also got executed. Now I am going to for this give the choice as what that second. So in this queue first come first serve or first in first out, start now last in first out. We have to check whether the logic is executing or not with the help of this what that deletion function. So giving the choices over to automatically the control will be go to this what that case 2 checking this what that front equal to rear or not. The condition is not get satisfied, it will be come to the else part and then now it will be calling to this what that executing the printf statement as well as just going for this what q of front plus plus. So it will be go to this what that it incrementing this what that value by 1 and then again it will be x will be get incremented by this what that one time. Then it will be giving this break, then again it will be go to this what that while loop executing the printf statement as a what that enter your choice. Then scanf statement, the user can give the input through the sorry through this what that input. Now you can see yes, first in first out. We initially what that give the first element is 45, that element is deleted as a first, so it is satisfying this what that Q property, first in first out. Okay, so far we discussed about this what that insertion as well as the what that display. Now we discussed this what the deletion operation also. Now I am giving this what that operation as a what the fourth one, which is nothing but after checking this all the functionality of this queue operation. Now I'm going to what that exit from this my execution. Ch value is equal to 4, so it will be go to this what that exit, and then it will go what that stop executing this one. Now I will be go and then check in this what that output. I think we already check. Again we will be check here all the condition is get satisfied and then everything is properly working. Thank you for watching this. So next we will be meet for the another execution of this what that data structure concept, whether it may be a what that stack implementation using array or queue implementation using linked list or stack implementation